guys and girls? Josh here with another install video for our newest rear diffuser for the 2011 to 14 WRX hatch and the 08 to 14 STI hatch. Today's install is an easy one, requiring no drilling whatsoever and should be able to be completed in under 20 minutes. We actually timed ourselves and we were able to do it in under 5, so yeah, try and beat us, I guess. You will need an 11mm wrench or socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. First, we are going to remove these OEM clips. There should be 2 on each spat section and 2 in the center, totaling 6. Next, we are going to be using these U-nuts. Make sure the part pointing out is facing upwards. This is the nut. To install these on the rear spat section, you will want to slide it under this piece. To help, pull this section of the bumper down to allow more space to slide in. You will know once it's in the correct spot when it falls into place like this. Repeat this process on these 4 holes. For the center, place the U-nuts into these 2 holes. If you ever need to remove a U-nut, make sure you use a flathead and bend this tab upwards before removing. Next, we are going to install the Z-bracket. The bracket should look like this when installed. Install the upper portion of the bracket to the brackets leading to the frame of the car. Repeat on the other side. Now we can install the diffuser. Let's start with the spats. Insert a bolt into the center hole and the hole closest to the wheel. These ones will be the ones that are going into the U-nuts. Keep these loose for now. Next, insert the bolt with the 1/4-inch spacer into the hole closest to the exhaust cutouts. Now go through and tighten each bolt. Repeat on the other side. You may realize your U-nut wasn't perfectly aligned if the bolt isn't tightening. Feel free to adjust. Now, let's install the center section of the diffuser. We are going to install the 1.5-inch bolts with the 1/2-inch spacers first. These ones will be inserted into the inside holes, which should line up with the U-nuts you installed earlier. Hand tighten for now. Insert the remaining 2 bolts to the outside holes, which line up with the bottom of the Z-brackets that we installed earlier. Whilst everything is loose, adjust the diffuser so that it clears any obstacles such as an exhaust. Then tighten all 4 bolts once you've reached desired fitments. And that's it. Make sure, of course, that you tag us across all socials at icyaero. Thank you. Until next time.